Good morning, folks. Welcome to the trading room. At the moment, we are looking at the daily chart. This is what makes our trading system so impressive. At the moment, it's showing that pricing is at 97.37. It's showing you the daily is just about to go long. So all we're gonna be looking for really will be just long trades. That the dollar, that we're looking at the dollar chart right now. It's been dropping and now at 97.37, 97.35, which is right there. It shows that it's going long. We're beating some trades, and let me show you guys. This is the Euro US. Let me see. This one is the Euro USD. We're up 56 pips in that one. There was a point where we're up like 60 something. So, and here is the dollar yen trade. We up 51 pips. The system is fully automated. Even when we're sleeping, it's gonna take trade. Even if I'm not there, that's its job. Its job is to take trades. So took these trades. The morning started. We're not in the euro yen yet. That's the other currency that we trade. Let me turn over to the Euro USD chart. Hold on for a second. Euro USD will be Euro USD right here. Let's see where Euro USD. Actually, we are short. The daily short, and that's why we are up pips right now in this currency. Started going short at 76. The system took a short right here at 84. So boom. That's what makes this so great. If you're sleeping, you say, hey, at the beginning of the hour, as soon as it turns, can you please take a trade for me? You come back. As soon as it's confirmed, it will take you short. And you will be in a trade going short. And same thing with the with the USDN. If you're short, you're short. So now the 15 minutes in the USDN is just about to go long. As you can tell, it's right there. I mean, this is the 15 minutes. Let me show you guys the 1 minute. Okay, this is the 15 minutes chart. It's showing it's just about to go long. So if the 15 minutes is just about to go long, guys, this is about to start. It's gonna push hard. Let me show you guys a 1 minute. That's the 1 minute chart. We're just getting started on. So I'm gonna keep this straight on so you can see the progress we're making on them. The US is taking a breath up, but there was a point where we're up 60 pips. Right now we're up like even more than that. But right now we're up 57, 48 here. So I'll stay in touch. Keep coming back to show you guys what we've done today. In a 1 minute, it looks like the USDN is about to take a breath going short. Keep an eye on that one so I can close this trade and we enter the trade going long. It's not a big deal. And I also keep an eye on the Euro USD. I'm also looking to get into the Euro Yen. It's at one. Let me pull that up right now. Again, that's the Euro USD. Pricing is at 135.15. And if you're looking at the date, you want to know what the date is. It's 10/8. 10 today is right here. 10/9. 10/8. 10/9. Okay, that's where we are right now. We are 58 pips. I just want to show you guys that so you know this is real. So if you're trading with us since last night without you even being there, right now you'll be up 60 pips if you get the system. Well, not 60 pips, just in that currency. Over here, 50. That's what we do. We trade all day, every day, even when we're asleep. So let me pull out the euro yen to see where we are. Euro yen. I just want a whole bunch of you guys coming. We'll get together in the morning in this trading room and we start trading together. Forget if you don't know it, I'll show you guys. The system will show you every single thing that you need to know. Right now, the 1 minute is about to go down. Pricing is at 131.60. The 60 minutes short in the euro yen. It's been short. Daily short at the bottom of the ocean. Looks like it's been pushing long and dropping. So we'll see if this is going to go long. But right now in the euro yen, we're also short. The low for the euro yen was 131.38 and the high was 132.18. So the daily wants to go long in the euro yen. So I'm waiting to see what happens. So we're still short. All right, I'll stop right now and I'll be joining you guys soon again. Okay, I'll stop recording and I'll come back. Thank you. Hey folks, it's me again, coming back to those trades. We're still looking at them. The Euro USD. We are up 60 pips. USDN, we are up 48 pips, so that's close to 110. So right now 61.49, yeah, close to 110 pips. So now we're up 112 pips, just 13 pips, 113 pips. So it's keep pushing up. We stay in this trade. The Euro USD, I told you guys that before it would break down. The system put us short at the very top, which was entry was at 135, 84, 94. I can't remember now. And here we are today. We are in it. I'm hoping that the Euro USD, because it's sitting at 135.10 and the low was 135.07. So I think that it might actually break through and go to maybe 134.75. We will see in the Euro and the USDN. It might break 97.50 and go test 97.75. So at that point we can start closing those trades and then wait for it to pull back down and then we enter those trades. That's what we do. We can sit there all day, guys, and do this together. I want to have a whole bunch of you guys trading together. You know, all of us being friends and not so much worry every day about getting a job, but us trading and learning this. And let me be honest, this isn't easy like in one day you're going to learn it. It's going to take some time. You're going to learn it, but once you master it, you'll be good to go. You don't have to worry about anything. You can get on the screen every single day with us, because I'm going to be around forever. That's what I do for a living. I trade this system. If you're looking at the 1 minute, let me remove these. This is the 1 minute chart. You can see it. It shows you every single thing you need to know. This is the daily chart. This is in the euro yen, okay? So if I were to show you the USD yen, USD yen is right here. And folks, look at this. This is the daily chart. It's showing you as it's happening right before your eyes. That way you don't have to be confused. Hey, I am about to go long. Start looking at long position. So now you start thinking long. So that means every time you see a short, don't get panicky if you happen to be in long position. That means it's going to reverse. It's going to return and go long. People lose pips in this market unnecessarily. It's because they do not understand how it moves. Together we can learn it. We can sit there. We can practice together, and we're gonna get to the promised land. The USDN right now we're up 49 pips. Euro USD we are up 61, and we're gonna continue. So my goal is that at some point today, what I would like to do is to see if we can turn around and take the you know, I want to wait for a little bit to see for the market to actually open the US market. Maybe I can close this trade, and then we enter the trade. with you guys. So we'll we'll see. I want to wait for a little bit longer because right now we're up over let me see, 60 for over 120 over 110 pips. Remember, the system is fully automated. That's what I want to press upon you guys. You don't have to be scared. Right here, let me show you guys again. For example, right there, it would have taken this short for you guys. Bam. So you'd be in the trade. For me, right here, it took it. It turned going long. And here I am, 50 pips later. That's the beauty of the system, guys. Early on, it put me in a trade. I wasn't even there. I was asleep. Oh my gosh. I'm making this super easy for you guys. So I'll be back again. All right, I'm back. We're looking at the EURUSD. Hello everyone. Good morning. Those of you who are joining me late. I'm looking at the EURUSD. Like I said, let me pull that chart up. The EURUSD. Where is it at? EURUSD. Oh my. There. It's like it takes me forever to find these things. Now understand this, guys. We've been short. Okay, we are short in the EURUSD. The daily short. Let me show it to you guys. It's short. It's dropping down. So it's going short right here. The hour turn short right there. And then we've been short ever since then. We're up 65 pips in that trade. That's where we are. So we're watching it. We keep pushing down. It's still pushing down. If you have alpha, the automated system, it will take the trade for you. And it's a good trade because you know now all the breath is done. We're at the very top of the ocean in a daily. It has some room to go to start dropping. So this could go to 33.45. Who knows? So we're just watching it. At the moment, the EUR/US is at 135.06. But that's the only thing I do not like for you guys at the moment, which is right here. Thank you, Tom. Right here. It's been short for quite some time. I'm looking to close this trade soon because of this reason. Look, the candle right here is beginning to, I don't see any green. It's red. That's typically signifies that this trade might end. So, but I want to watch it. But we are up 68 pips. This is the EUR/USD, okay? And then let me go back. We're up 70 right now. It's just dropping. We're still in that trade. We're gonna stay in this trade. And if you guys want to see this video, I'm gonna have it recorded anyways. You guys can watch it later on YouTube. Let me pull up the USD yen. Right there. Let me remove this. The USD yen, like I told you guys earlier, it's just about to go long. The daily it's at the very bottom of the ocean, just going long. Again, right here, the system took us long, and we are up 51 pips. And then we stayed in it because I knew at the bottom that was it. And we stayed in it. Even doing that short is just taking a short breath. I'm expecting the 60 minutes to bounce back and go long. But this trade, because of all the stuff that's going on with the economy and all the stuff in Congress, I'm just trying to see if it's gonna go past. Oh, I'm thinking maybe 97.50 if it breaks that. Let me see the USD yen. Yeah, I'm trying to see if it can break to 97.50, then it'll definitely go to 97.75. At that point, I will close that trade and re-enter it later. That's the breath in the daily. So here's what I'm talking about. If you're looking at this candle right here, it looks like it's dying out, very small. The short candle selling, a short breath. Looks like it might start going to the upside. Our next trade we're gonna be looking at will be it's gonna be the euro yen. Okay, it's still ranging. It's sitting at 131.52. For those of you who are not into those trades, looking to getting alpha the automated system, it'll help you guys taking trade while you're sleeping if you have it set. Right now, pricing we are up 67 here in the Euro USD, which is right there, Euro USD. USD yen, we are up 52, and then we're gonna we'll stay with you. So if you guys have any questions, we're looking at the 1 minute. For some of you guys, I'm going to lead you guys into trades. So how are you guys doing in your trades? All right, this is the 30 minutes for the USD yen, okay? For some of you guys who wants to get into a trade, we're still at the very bottom of the ocean as far as 30 minutes is concerned. It hasn't confirmed long yet. 29 minutes to go. It wants to go long. It's at the very bottom. The ocean is pointing up. So you can look to enter this trade going long right there as it starts moving. So we're gonna keep an eye on it as it's changing. The 1 minute also wants to go. So once it's confirmed going long, so what we're gonna do is to wait. We're gonna be waiting for a pullback. Once it's gone long, then we're gonna start taking longs, because remember, in the 60 minutes the hour is still short. Let's wait and see what happened. The daily is just now going long in the dollar yen. So we're gonna have some trade going on in the USD yen for sure today, this morning. The Euro USD pushed back down to 135.02 and pull back up 10 pips, but that's okay. For those of you already in it, good. But if you're not in the Euro USD short, it's a hard short to take right now, because it already ran so many pips, like almost 100 pips. Well, to be exact, about from its high, about 90 pips, 85 pips. I don't think that I want you guys taking short in the Euro USD, because the USDN, the 1 minute looks like it's about to go. Let's wait for it to see. And if you guys are not afraid of position trades, even right here at 97.32, even if you get into the trade right here, there is no no issue with it, because what's gonna happen is eventually it'll bounce back up at 97.32. It will go long, because the momentum now, if you're looking at the daily, it's about to go long. This thing will go long at 97.32. If you want to wait for a little bit longer, your target price could be 97.25. Don't know if it's gonna pull back that far, but no matter what happens, you can hold on to this trade. The direction of the dollar yen is actually long, and the projection is that it should be going to 100. So getting into a trade at 97.32 is still a good trade. So you guys can do that and feel good about it and hold on to the trade. It wouldn't be a bad trade for this reason. The daily is turning long. We're looking at it right here. Here's the daily chart. Daily USD yen. It's just beginning to go long. Price 97.34. Taking this long will pay you. If you want to wait for a little bit, eventually it's gonna go and start testing 97.75. Patience is the key to this whole game. So let's wait a minute. If you guys have any questions, send them over and I'll be answering questions soon. All right. Okay. About Asia, I'll get back to you on that. Okay. All right, guys. Let's talk about the Euro USD real quick here. We're looking at, this is the 30 minutes. Currently pricing is at 135.06. We're up 67. It's been short. It's kind of hard to take this long. I mean, it's really hard to take a trade in this one going short, because unless you're willing to hold on to this position. But I don't think that that's the right way to go at the moment. It's already been dropping, so we can just wait to enter trade in the USD because it will pull back up again. It's not gonna keep going down. I think it's looking to go to 134.75 or something like that. So we're gonna. I prefer that we do not take trade in the Euro USD. We'll just look at the USD yen for you guys, okay? Or the Euro or the Euro yen also. So I'm gonna switch over to the Euro yen, and I'll keep an eye on the USD yen. Let me see. The 1 minute over here is right there, 135.08, but it keeps trying to go because it just pushed down to 135.01. But you guys gotta be careful. Sometimes I try to push it down there. Next thing you know, you get stuck. So do not go down there to try to go short. No way. I want to trade in you guys already know that at beginning of the hour, which was 132.06 in the Euro yen. This one also, it's just been selling in the hour chart. The daily is also at the very bottom. It's looking kind of like tiny, like it wants to turn. It's at 131.47. I'm a big believer if you didn't catch it at the beginning, so you can get, the best you're gonna get out of it. So if you would have caught it right here at 132.06 or 132, so let's call it 132. If you would have, right now you'll be up 50 pips in it. Simple. If you are sleeping because it turned at 2 o'clock, at 1 o'clock in the morning, that's okay. The system is built to put you in those trades. It will take it for you automatically. So just look to get the automated system. It'll do it for you right here, beginning of the hour. And then you're done with it. You don't even have to think about it. You wake up, you'll be up pips. Right now, I don't know if I'm comfortable taking any more short, but I only like to trade in the direction of the hour. So really, I feel like this is swimming back. There is no huge push in it. So I want to wait before I take a trade, before I lead you guys into a trade over here, okay? I want you guys to be this disciplined. So even if you miss a trade one day, it's okay. But the good thing is you're not breaking rules. I do not want you guys taking trade. Let me show you guys, like right here, for example. It's at the bottom of the ocean. What's the point of taking shorts here? It makes no sense. Yeah, the 1 minute can roll over and it can start ranging and you get stuck and the next thing you know, it bounced all the way back to like 70, 75, and you're losing 25, 30 pips. No way. It's not worth it. There is always another trade. There is always tomorrow. Okay? No big deal. I'd rather wait in the euro yen. I'm going to scan other pairs to see what we can find for you guys. Shall we turn? This trade, the Euro USD, it keeps going back and forth. The FOMC is at 11 o'clock, guys, and I don't want to hold on to those trades. So it's everything is ranging. So the Euro USD might push back. I'm okay with having 70 pips, so it's not a big deal. So it's gonna try again. I'm gonna keep watching to see if it pushes. It's at 01, 135.01. We're up 7 in the trade. The dollar yen, we're up 46. I can always win to those trade. I'm not really all that concerned about them. So what is it? 120 pip day. So I don't think I can be. Can any of you guys be mad at me for that? I don't think so. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade right here. Okay. And I'm also gonna close the dollar yen as well. And then I'll look to re-enter the trades again. So I don't mind it. I can live with it. I can live with those. Okay. What I was saying is that I was waiting for the 30 minutes to go long in the dollar yen so we can start taking some long. It's not happening. It might be that at 11 o'clock there's the FOMC, and that's probably why it's not pushing the FOMC till 11 a.m. today. So the USD yen is just ranging. The Euro USD, looking at it, It's at 135.07. It bounced back from 130. It actually went to 134.99, then pulled back. They don't want to push it down yet. Let me see. That's the USD. That's the 30 minutes, guys. You're at the very bottom. Price is so far extended. If anything, this thing is probably looking to take a quick breath up. So I would not be taking any shorts. That's what I said. I do not trade these. That's like at the bottom here, there. Those are no good. That's how you guys lose money. You want to take your trade right here, 135.94. This is where you want to be. Okay? If you missed it, don't chase it. It is done. At least you know your money is still there. Don't try to chase this. If I look at the 60 minutes, same thing. Look, it's at the very bottom, right there. If anything, again, at 135.08, it's looking to turn around. If I have to make a decision here, short or long, I'll take a long. But I don't break rules like that. But if I have to take one, the shorts, there will not be. I would not take a short. You can expect the USD to pull back going long. That's why I close my trades. I'm done. The dollar yen right now is at 97.33. Even though it's pushing up a little bit, I don't expect it to do much. Today at 11 o'clock, all of us will have a chance to get more pips if we want to get more pips. Can go home early. Let's go take a break and come back at 11 o'clock. I will be here. So how about if we do that? Look, this is going to range out. We might as well just go eat something, relax, and come back. Look at the USD right now. It's looking in the 1 minute. It's about to push down. If I have to take a trade here, even though it's showing that, I still won't take it. See, the 1 minute is showing me it's short, but I'm not going to do that. It's too risky. Right there. It's taking me short on the 1 minute. But look at the 30 minutes. I mean, it's the 60 minutes. Look at it. 60 minutes, guys. It's just been running short. How much do you want it to go? At this point, as you are learning to trade, it doesn't make any difference if it drop going short 50 pips from here. You just have to live with it. You have to learn to watch this pattern. It changed going long. That's a fake. Then went short. The beginning of a new hour. That's what you trade. This. Even when it went long, okay? I'm going to show you guys this real quick. It went long right here at 36.75. All right? Let's go to this candle right here. 35.82. You wait for a pullback, 13 pips or so. At about 75, it took you long. It went to 36. I believe it was 36.07. 136.07. It still paid you 30 pips. Even that quick fake out. Boom. That was during the Asian session. Then it turned, put you short. In our case, 35.94. We took that short, rolled it down. Can't beat that, can you? This system showed you every single thing you need to see, and then some.